In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Coinbase to Bybit. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, choose the exact cryptocurrency that you want to send. You will be able to choose cryptocurrencies that are very popular, like Bitcoin, which is the most common choice, or other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, or Tether. As long as you have the Bitcoin or the crypto asset available on both Coinbase and Bybit, you will be able to initiate this transfer. So on Bybit, make sure that you have the wallet set up and good to go. You will have to copy the wallet address from Bybit. So choose the specific cryptocurrency and select the deposit option. By choosing deposit, you will be provided with the wallet address that you can paste into Coinbase to initiate this transfer. So once you have the wallet address copied for a specific crypto asset, log into your Coinbase account through the website or the mobile app, select that specific crypto asset, and then you will be able to input all of the necessary details. Usually it is going to be the amount of the cryptocurrency that you chose and the wallet address that you copied from Bybit. And with those details included, you can check for any possible or included network fees and initiate the transfer. I highly recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that you set up the wallet on both services correctly, and as long as you receive the small amount that you sent over, you can go ahead and send the rest. But in summary, the process is super simple. Just choose a crypto asset, make sure that you have a wallet set up on both Coinbase and Bybit for that same crypto asset, and then choose the deposit option in Bybit. By doing this, you will be provided with the wallet address for that asset, and you can go over to Coinbase, choose the send option underneath a specific asset, and then paste the amount and the wallet address that you copied. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Coinbase to Bybit. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.